This is Becky Liggero. I am here with Steve Shadders of nChain, and we are here at the Bitcoin Association Wallet Workshop, which is hosted by nChain. So today we are here to uncover the purpose of this event, who's here, what topics are getting covered, and all sorts of juicy information like that. So Steve, let's begin by why nChain decided to host this event and what is the purpose of it.
Okay, so I guess the event actually, the idea for it came out of the last CoinGeek conference. I found myself having the same conversation with many people, and it was actually Ryan X Charles where it finally clicked in my head who I was talking to. We were talking about some, infrastructure requirements that he had, and I knew other wallets had already sort of expressed the same thing to me. So I said, well, it really would make sense to get all these guys in a room together. So I guess that was why the idea was born, and CoinGeek and BCom happily sponsored the idea. They sort of merit in it. The purpose is for us to discuss what common requirements that wallets got, because they're a big part of the ecosystem. I spend a lot of my time thinking about the back end of Bitcoin, which is the Bitcoin node software, and I think you can do some pretty powerful things if you get a bunch of wallets agreeing on ways forward. So.
Very good. Getting everybody together to discuss great ideas. And Steve, what are some of the topics that you're covering this week at the workshop?
Okay, so we're going through payment protocols. We're talking about the flows of user actions, I guess, as users walk through the experience of using Bitcoin. We're talking about payment channels. I'd really like to see all the wallets have payment channel implementations. So before you can do that, you've got to kind of come up with an agreement on a common way to do it. We're discussing all of the tools that are available in the Bitcoin SV space, so SDKs, APIs, things that developers are using, so we can identify what's missing, what we're doing already, what we're doing well, what we're maybe not doing so well. And at the end of it, I would like to have a clear picture of what's missing, so that we can then nominate someone to go out and build it and give the Bitcoin SV ecosystem a more complete tool set.
Wonderful. Nice, robust schedule there. Lots of topics. So who's here? You mentioned Ryan X Charles. You had a discussion. Where are people coming in from? What's the crowd like at the workshop?
Okay, well, we've got people from all over the world. So we've got Ryan X from Money Button. He's actually brought a couple of his developers as well. We've got Centbee, Handcash, Copay. There are a few more, but yeah, we've pretty much got every corner of the globe covered.
Amazing. Well, we look forward to looking into the future, which you conclude from this event, and thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.